Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Bjorn's. We're going to do something special for you today. This is a brand new product that we just got in from Klipsch. It's all new speakers called the RP-500M. It's a replacement for their previous RP-150M, and they've introduced a whole new reference Premier series. All new speakers across the line, big upgrades, great new look, great new performance. So let's get in here. So, cut the box already just to make it easier to open. But, like you usually get in the box, there's a little manual, little packet, has warranty information, some little rubber feet you can click on the speaker if you want to set it on something hard. It's nicely packed. You can see it's got the foam block to protect it in shipping. Let's get these speakers out. Alright. I'm just going to get them both out real quick, and then we'll set this box aside. Alright, nicely packaged here, covered up. The bag to keep it safe and clean. Got some additional protective foam here between the grill and the speaker to keep it nice and safe, no scratches. And look at that. This all new look they've created. Get a few of these things aside here. New copper highlights to accentuate the color of the ceramatillic cone that they call it on the woofer, and the Tratrix horn. Again, that nice little line just really makes it really pretty. Looks fantastic. This is an all-new tweeter on this model. Just has a new vented design for the tweeter that's going to lower distortion, give it a smoother, cleaner sound than before. Grill holds on with a magnet, so it's really easy to take on and off when you need to. An updated finish on the sides. This is their ebony wood grain look, and on the back here, a simple one set of inputs for your speaker cables, the Tratrix horn port that helps extend bass and give you a little bit more full range sound. You also see, show that again, there's a little keyhole bracket. You can hang the speaker on the wall. You also have a threaded insert down here. Stabilize that when you hang it up. Another of the same here. So you get a pair when you buy them. So here we are, the new Klipsch Reference Premier 500M bookshelf speaker, $4.19 a pair. They're in the store now. Come on in, have a listen. We hope to see you soon.